Watch Sunday NFL ticket recordings. In today's video, we are going to learn how to watch NFL Sunday ticket recordings on Android. So let's get started. First, know that with NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube, you can record games, download recordings, and find replays of NFL games available through your subscription. Unlimited digital video recordings are available for NFL Sunday Ticket Primetime channel subscribers through the YouTube TV application or website. You can see them even if you do not have a YouTube subscription. So, what you have to do is you have to download and open the YouTube TV application on your mobile device, and then you have to sign in to the application with the same Google account you used to buy NFL Sunday Ticket. Select Not Now on the Welcome to YouTube TV page and then enter your zip code if prompted. Add specific teams or the NFL to your YouTube TV library. Adding the NFL to your library will record current and future airings of NFL games available to you through the NFL Sunday Ticket Primetime channel. Your recordings are stored on your account so you can watch them from any supported device on the YouTube TV website or application. Now, you can also download NFL games recordings for offline watch. What you have to do is you have to open the YouTube TV application and sign in with a Google account that you used to purchase. Then go to your library, find the game that you want to download and tap download. Completed downloads will show up in your library under the download tabs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.